In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add estimated reading time in WordPress posts or pages. This is a simple way to set expectations for your readers, reduce bounce rates, and make your content feel more approachable. I'll walk you through the exact clicks on WordPress.com so you can get this set up quickly and confidently. First, head to the WordPress.com plugins page. You can get there from your WordPress.com dashboard by opening the Plugins section or by visiting the Plugins directory directly. Once you're on the Plugins page, use the search bar and type Estimated Reading Time. Press Enter to see matches related to showing reading time on posts and pages. In the results, look for the plugin that says it displays an estimated reading time of your blog posts. The wording may vary slightly, but you're aiming for a plugin dedicated to showing a minute count on articles. Click into that plugin to open its details page. On the plugin page, start by opening the Installation tab. This section explains how the plugin is added to your WordPress.com site, whether it's available on your current plan, and any important notes about activation. If there are multiple installation notes or plan requirements, read them carefully so you know what to expect. Open the Installation tab again if you need a second look. Next, switch to the Description tab. This gives you an overview of what the plugin does, typical placement for the reading time label, and any customization options it may provide. After that, click the Changelog tab. This shows how actively the plugin is maintained and what's changed in recent versions. Always a good sign that it's reliable and up to date. When you're ready to proceed, click Get Started. This button begins the flow to add the plugin to a WordPress.com site. You'll be guided through setting up a site if you don't already have one connected. If you need a new domain, choose the option to search domains and look for a name that fits your brand. If you already have a domain, click the option that says you already have one. From there, choose to use your existing domain so WordPress.com can connect it to your site. Finally, click Continue to confirm your selections and move forward. After this, WordPress.com will finish setting things up. Once the process completes, your site will be ready to show an estimated reading time on your posts or pages, depending on your theme and the plugin's defaults. That's it, clean, clear reading